One sunny morning, Tom was busy washing clothes in the backyard. He had a big bucket full of soapy water, and he was scrubbing the clothes with all his energy. And Jerry peeked from behind a basket and saw Tom working hard. An idea popped into Jerry's little brain. Maybe laundry day could be fun. Jerry jumped on top of the laundry bucket and splashed a little water. Giggling, Tom turned around. Annoyed at first, but Jerry gave a cute smile and folded his tiny hands as if asking for help. Tom rolled his eyes but decided to let Jerry join. Soon both of them were washing clothes together. Tom scrubbed, Jerry rinsed. Tom squeezed the water out, and Jerry hung the clothes on a rope. Although sometimes the cloth was bigger than him. After washing, it was ironing time. Tom heated the iron and Jerry stood on the table beside him, pretending to be the supervisor. When Tom pressed the clothes, steam puffed out and Jerry made funny faces in the steam clouds, making Tom laugh.